In this video, I'll show you how you can fix Fortnite login failed, unable to connect to Fortnite servers. First, we want to come here and open up Task Manager, go to Details, press anywhere and press F, sort by the name, and then you can press F again and look for Fortnite. If you find any Fortnite you want to end the task, then press E and look for Epic Games and end the task. After that, you want to click on the arrow right here, find your Epic Games if you have it, and then you want to right click on it and you want to close it down. Now there's no Epic Games for me in here, but if there was one, you wanted to close that one down. After that, you want to search for Epic Games, right click and open file location, then do the exact same again, open file location. And once you found the Epic Games launcher, what you want to do is right click, properties, compatibility, run this program in compatibility mode for Windows 8, tick both of these, apply and OK. Then try and launch it and see if that works. If it still doesn't work, come here and search with CMD, right click, run as an administrator, and in here we want to type ipconfig space /flush DNS. After that, type net sh winsock reset. Press enter and then you can close it down. Now, after you've done all of this, what I suggest you do is you try and open up your Epic Games, not Fortnite, just Epic Games, and then log in and out of your account. Once you've done that, you can try and launch Fortnite and it should hopefully work. Like I said, if you want, you can come back here and you can disable this option if it causes any issues with you, but if it doesn't, then you can just leave it on. Now, I really hope this video helped you. If it did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.